Welcome back to the channel. This is Sohail with you again today with a brand new video. Today we're going to talk about TPMS. What is that? That's the tire pressure monitoring system for the bike. Stay with us. We're going to be going through where to install, how to install, okay? So first of all, let's just go through what is inside the box, okay? I've got a little electronic gadget. That's basically the display, and it's got a little screwy thing at the back. It comes with a charger lead, which is a magnetic type. So, okay, positive. It, the wear and tear for the actual connection is not going to be excessive. Negative, you've got to carry that wire because this is specific to it. All right, what else it comes with? It comes with the two little bobbins which go onto your tire. Okay, look like these. This says RW, FW, front wheel, rear wheel, and also it comes with a locking nut and a little hopeless spanner thing. Okay, now I guess so you've got to put this little nut on the what is called the tire, and then you screw this in onto it, and then you can tighten that to secure this. Not sure if you need this to be honest with you, but it comes with that. Now the other thing I have done, so obviously this talks, these two gadgets talk to each other, so there must be some sort of battery in there, and what I've tried to do is actually open this and see what's inside it. So as expected, there's a battery, little gizmo which talks to this. That's about it really. What I did want, the reason I wanted to open is first of all find out if there's a battery in there. It should be, and just to see if there's a seal in there, and I can see there is a seal, I guess waterproof seal, hopefully it says. So you can use this little spanner to open and sort of screw and unscrew. Okay, well that's where this is. So what I'm going to do is yeah, there's an instruction manual in there. So I think what it does is I'll switch it on once I've installed on the bike, but it's pretty basic really. I mean, what it does, it just gives you the pressure reading for the tire and also the temperature. I'm not really sure what you do with the temperature, to be honest with you, but it does display that as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pump up the tire to the required pressure, and then we'll attach these little gizmos and see what the display actually shows. Hopefully it's the same, so let's see. So what I need is 42 psi's in the rear tire. Okay. Oh, wow, okay. It's 42 already. Good. And I need 36 psi in my front tire. 36. Okay. Cool. So in goes the front one. So first gotta put this on, whether it helps or not, but okay, that's on. Front screws on nicely. Okay, and then I think you're meant to just basically tighten that one. Right, like I said, little hopeless thing. I don't know how you're supposed to do this, but yeah, I think it's nearly done. Okay, let's do the other one. So in goes a little nut jobby. There you go. And rear wheel. Goes on, tightens, and just tighten that little fold from the back. I'm just going to hand tighten it. Okay. Right. Let us first of all have a look at the display, what it says. Okay, the display now shows 43 and 29. 43 on the rear wheel, and the front wheel is 29. 29 seems a little bit on the low side. 42, 43, okay, not too bad. So let's have a quick look. Okay, so register that there's 0. Right, that's better. 35. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do unscrew and screw the rear one as well, just in case. And we'll just check that it displays the warning as well. Yeah. So it says basically something is wrong. We're going to screw that back on. And it says 43. Okay, fantastic. So that's not bad. Okay. The other thing, obviously, the package came with is the this mount. Okay, that's how it is. Now I have tried to install this, but I don't really like this, to be honest with you, and I'll tell you why. Now I've extended this all the way to the end. You can see, right, a little bit in. Now you can still see, even if I was like this, there's basically a slippery surface around here. Now you can see here that the surface has no stopping sort of groove in here, so that to me is just not usable. So I've been thinking about then what to basically do with that then. So my idea is either to use this nut, have some sort of bracket here coming out and have the display here, or similarly on the other side, or I could use some sort of mount in use these 2 bolts and kind of have a little plate somewhere and just display it here, making sure that I don't block the what's it called, the brake fluid reservoir sight glass. Okay, so here's what I've come up with. I think the only thing I'm going to use from the actual original mount is this little gizmo turning thing, and is these 2 basically. So I found the this bolt to have the same sort of thread, and it's an Allen key. So then I'm hoping that I can attach this right here, and with the actual display panel attached, that's what it's going to be. So I think that looks quite reasonable. Okay, right, yeah, so that sounds like a good position. Okay, so I think that looks pretty reasonable. Okay, so that's it basically. It's installed, still reading 35 psi for the front and 43 psi for the rear, and the temperature is 22 on the front, 23 on the rear. Not really sure what those readings are for, to be honest, but anyway, in the settings you can have the alarm for the low and the high, and obviously for the whatever it needs to be, that's whatever it needs to be in terms of pressure for the target pressure, and then you go few PSIs higher and lower to set the alarms, and then it flashes like you saw red, and also gives you a beep. Not sure whether the beep will be audible when you're riding the bike, but hey, you know, it flashes something, it tells you something is wrong. So that's it then. I hope you like the video. Gives you an idea where else to attach, I guess, this system if you're buying this same system. Wasn't very expensive, you know, but if it works and gives you that reading, I think this is pretty good, very useful. Okay, hope you like the video. Thank you very much. I'm doing lots of other mods on my NC750X, so you don't want to miss them. Do subscribe. Okay, thank you, bye.